jump, right when this thing slacks down, it either holds me or it breaks. That is a far zip line. Alright, today we got a gnarly video. We're at this falls, Sunset Falls in Washington, and we got this long 200-foot rope right here. Plan is, we're gonna take the end of the rope tied to that tree right there, and we're gonna try and stretch this whole alleyway of this massive falls.
Yeah, it should be sick, dude. So we're setting up right here on this tree, and we're planning to have it stretch all the way down there, across the falls. We have absolutely no idea what we're doing.
Rope's locked in, so we're gonna stretch this whole thing out, try and reach it to that other tree right now. Probably 20 feet of just rope in my hand, sitting on the edge of this cliff. And just getting there, just the rocks are insanely jagged. I just cut up my whole feet, dude. Like,
oh my.
It's terrible.
Just look how well this slides. We got Josh's dumbbell weight handles.
Yeah, I mean, keep in mind, this is a rope off of Amazon. We got for like 60 bucks. It says 8,000 pounds, but I
don't know about that.
I think I'm gonna give it a first go. It's so nerve-wracking, but it is a far zip line. Oh crap.
Whoa! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Yo, it went to the end!
We accidentally dropped it, but
it went to the end!
now we gotta go all the way over there.
Alright, I'm gonna go run and grab it.
He's about to hit it, drops the pulley, it slides all the way down there, but the good thing is it stopped. I don't know if you can see that, but it stopped down there by the tree, so he should be able to get it now.
First jump, right when this thing slacks down, it either holds me or it breaks. Not looking forward to this. 2, 1.
I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin, heart crushing Louis Vuitton. When I'm stepping in, 30 bottles of the zoo till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo, switch to the Rory. I'm a gangster, I like to party.
Just get like an insane bounce and it's
All right, I'm about to hit it. I am actually terrified. What can go wrong? All right, 3, 2, 1.
When you come down, it lets out so much slack that you bounce, and then you kind of get launched back up. So I think next go, I'm probably gonna go for a double. I don't know, I haven't done a double backflip in my life, so. Okay, here we go. Let's get it.
Yo, you good? Yo, you alright?
That's a dislocated shoulder. Back 3 did not go as planned. Ended up with landing on my back and a dislocated shoulder.
1, 2, I'm about to set this off like this. Hip hoppers, check it.
3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. You look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that.